Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products in every category. Today, we're talking about the Coconix Leather Care Pro Professional Black Leather and Vinyl Repair Kit, the best cracked leather repair solution you can find. If you've got leather or vinyl items that are showing signs of wear, whether it's scratches, cracks, rips, or even burn holes, this is the product you need. This leather repair kit is super easy to use and comes with clear, simple instructions to help you restore your leather furniture, car seats, shoes, bags, and more. Whether you're dealing with minor scuffs or larger tears, this kit has you covered. All you need to do is apply the solution to the affected area, wait a bit, and voila! You'll see your leather looking as good as new. One of the best things about the Coconix kit is that it's not just for one specific type of leather. Whether it's genuine leather or synthetic materials, you can match any shade of gray or black, ensuring a perfect blend with your existing leather. It works on everything from car upholstery to sofas, wallets, jackets, and even shoes. This flexibility makes it an ideal all-in-one solution for anyone who wants to restore their beloved leather items without breaking the bank. The product's formula is designed to provide a long-lasting finish that won't peel or crack over time, so you can rest assured your repairs will hold up. Plus, it's designed for multiple uses, meaning you'll get plenty of value out of this kit for all your leather restoration needs. The best part is that it saves you the cost of replacing expensive furniture or items. Why buy a new sofa when you can restore your existing one with this professional-grade repair kit? Instead of throwing out your old leather goods, why not bring them back to life with minimal effort? This kit is an investment for anyone who wants to protect their leather items from further damage and restore their original look. It's a simple, effective, and affordable solution that can extend the life of your favorite leather products. So, if you're tired of living with cracked, damaged leather, grab the Coconix Leather Care Pro Professional Black Leather and Vinyl Repair Kit today. It's the easiest way to make your leather items look as good as new again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more product reviews right here on Product Critique.